Hi friend, I hope you all are well today. Just I am giving you that how we can easily learn a speaking English speaking language. Only 4 point and four point I'll give you. First is that you may learn from book, but must learn from nature. आप किताब से सीख सकते हैं लेकिन आपको नेचर से अवश्य सीखना चाहिए. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज दैट यू मे लर्न फ्रॉम rule of grammar but must learn grammar from your life. And third one is you may build your vocab from dictionary, but you must gain, collect, increase your vocab from your circumstances. From your circumstances, your profession would be best way. Your profession would be best way to learn English language easy. Thank you.